Hi there, this is Matthew from Engage and Immerse with another quick video sharing ideas for music interaction. And this one's very simple, don't need any musical instruments, it can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's really good at encouraging a positive response and some meaningful two-way communication and interaction. You're going to be creating some form of body-orientated rhythm. Could be clapping your hands, clicking your fingers, stomping your feet, tapping, anything, okay? I'm going to go with clapping the hands for now. So the idea is that the brain synchronises to sensations of external pulse and rhythm, okay? This is called rhythmic entrainment, and studies have shown that this actually creates more ordered thought. It helps us to plan our motor movements in a more effective, functional way, and it's also been shown to reduce pain as well. So really great little interaction for people with additional needs. Has a broad use. So going back to the clapping, we're going to be doing some clapping and singing. Okay, so the idea is you create this rhythm. Remember to get the eye contact, that's really important. And sing a song. It might be a favourite song of your music partner's. I'm just going to sing a nursery rhyme, fairly ubiquitous, that will do just to demonstrate. So make sure this physical rhythm is in the line of sight of your music partner. It can be seen very easily. Okay. I'll sing a little song. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in, and so on. So the idea is that your music partner is locking in with you, seeing this rhythm, synchronising to that beat, synchronising to that external rhythm. There are other things you can do to increase the interactivity. You can tap on your music partner's body, maybe on their chest or on their shoulder, so they can feel the beat within themselves, okay? They can feel the vibration. Try singing another song, I don't know, it could be she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes, etc. You can also try using hand over hand support, using your music partner, your music partner's hand, encouraging them to tap the rhythm on your body whilst you sing. So there's lots of ways that you can do this to increase the interactivity. As long as you're creating that rhythm, keeping that rhythm going, that's the most important part of it to get this idea of rhythmic entrainment going. So give it a try. You might find it has a really cool effect, positive effect between you and your music partner.